Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be creating a new object in our Salesforce org. So this will be kind of a high level, quick look at how to do that and what the steps are. So if you find the content interesting, please hit the like button. And if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button. I release Salesforce content each week and we're just going to jump right into this thing. So to create our new object, we're going to need to be in setup. So if you're not in setup, go ahead and get there. And we're going to use this object manager. Drop down here, you can hit new object is one way to do it. Or if you're on the object manager tab, you can come over to the create and then hit custom object. It'll take you to the same place. So we need to go ahead and enter in our new label or the name here. So we're just going to name this one invoice. And then right here it's saying the plural label. So it has the example account and then just adding the S at the end. I'm going to put invoices with an S. I just copy and pasted it down, make it simple. And then this is the object name is used when referencing the object via the API. So I'm just going to leave this as invoice. I mean, technically you could put whatever you want. If there's a space, you're going to have to put an underscore here, or you could run it together like invoice, number. I mean, I don't know what you would want to put there, but I'm not going to put anything. And you can add a description if you would like. I want to leave the context sensitive help setting the same here. And then record name is invoice name. Only the data type is text. Now looking here, we have some optional features. We have allow reports. Now what that does is if we select this, you are able to report on this object, allow activities, track field history, and allow in chatter groups. Well, I want to allow it in reporting, allow activities, and track field histories, but we are not going to allow it in chatter groups. Now looking at the object classification, we'll allow sharing, allow bulk API access, and allow streaming API access. So you can read this here, when these settings are enabled, the object is classified as an enterprise application object. When these settings are disabled, the object is classified as a light application object. You can look at and learn more on that if you would like, but we're going to leave these checked. And then we have our deployment status. We're going to leave this in deployed, because we're just going to go ahead and create this bad boy. And then there's object creation options here. You can add notes and attachments. We're not going to check anything, and you can launch new custom tab wizard after saving this custom object. We are going to check this, and this will allow us to go ahead and customize our tab for our new object. So we're going to hit save. You could hit save and new if you need to create multiple objects all at once, but we're not doing that. So this is the new custom object tab, and it's because we hit that wizard button down there a second ago. So our object is invoice. So we have tab style. We're going to hit our little magnifying glass here. Pull this up here so you can see a little better. So we got a bunch of different options for style. Let me make that bigger as well. You can create your own, but these are kind of cool. I actually like them. I'm just going to do dice. I like that. And then choose a home page custom link to show as a splash page the first time the user clicks on the tab. There's nothing there. I'm not worried about that, to be honest with you. I just wanted to create that tab style. We're going to go through onto the next tab here. So apply one tab visibility to all profiles, default on. Apply a different tab visibility for each profile. So what this means is you could go through each one of these profiles and you could turn it default on, off, or tab hidden. So what that means is if it's default on, that means the tab is going to be in the up here in the bar, and they'll be able to find it. You can add it there. Default off is it's not automatically there, and tab hidden is they cannot find that tab at all. So with default off, you should be able to search it and add it to your bar. Tab hidden, they will not be able to. I want to leave it apply one to all here, and we're going to set the visibility to default on, make it easy for us here. And then this is the choose the custom apps for which the new tab will be available. So if you have an app, a Lightning app that you created, and you only want that tab available to that new Lightning app, you could unselect this and then select the app that you want it to appear in. For ease of use, I want to leave all these on. We're going to hit save. All right, perfect. So let's go see if we can find our new tab. I'm refreshing the browser here. And if you look over, because we have default on, it automatically is applied it up here into our runner here. And we have invoices. We're going to hit here and we can hit new. And as you see, it just pulls up the invoice name. We haven't set any other fields up, but at this point you could go back into your object manager and you can create new fields for your object. Probably you want invoice number, which is not listed here, and just whatever other information you want to have for your new object. But that's the bare bones way how to create a new object, how to allow it in reporting, how to create the tab view here. You see our awesome dice we have here. That's pretty cool. But that's how you create an object in Salesforce. If you like the video, make sure you hit that like button. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video, and I will see you in the next one.